This one is the mode key. First of all, long press it like 3 seconds to power on or power off. And you can press it to switch mode like home mode, away mode. This one is the increase key and this is decrease key. Press it to increase or decrease the temp. This number is the current temperature in your room, and this one is your target temperature that you can adjust anytime. First of all, open the QB Smart app or Tuya Smart Life app. Click the Add device and choose the thermostat you want to control. And don't press the decrease key for like 3 seconds. This icon will flash quickly. Then we can click here to connect the Wi-Fi. Then you can control the thermostat by app on your smartphone now. Power off the device and power on. We can long press the mode key and decrease key for like 3 seconds. To lock and unlock the device, or click here on the app directly. The lock function can prevent children from misoperation. You can set the weekly program on the app. That means you can set the temperature in different time periods of the week, like weekdays and weekends, to achieve a real small life. Besides, you can control the different rooms' thermostat to adjust the temp of your house through the home management. This one. And you also can add your family member to control the product at the same time with you. And click here, you can choose the different rooms of your house to control. Here is a mode service. Click here to link the voice assistance. Our thermostat can also